because...
What's the next Zen or kink event?
I'm behind both of you.
Damn, it's hard to do this.
May 29th at
We have no focus.
No focus?
No
Yeah,
focus.
it doesn't look focused at all.
Just no focus.
It's not clear.
It's vague.
It's very cool looking though.
It is very cool, but it's vague at best.
I like it. Quit.
Careful, don't remember to keep the video on level, man.
Don't mess you up.
You can see whoever doing that in the background
Maggie.
too.
I know, dude. She's a natural.
She is. This is only the second time she's burned, so.
No, she's burned. She burned with me a long time ago. And honestly, stuff that would take me like 3 months to learn, 3 weeks for her. She's a natural. She's very talented. That's why I love her coming out.
Seriously.
Let me see it.
Probably not focusing. There's too much going on. Hey, you know that's a contact staff, right?
Yes.
I'm just fucking with you. Whoa, I think you do contact. I thought contact was gay.
Contact is gay.
I made that comment to Sean once.
God,
Just fucking
this
drink.
guy.
Yeah, honey.
All contact.
I don't know if you want to do both ways. Okay.
See what I mean? But it's still cool looking though.
One second, Nisha. Damn it. Yeah, we got it now. I'm sorry, hun.
It's all good, dude.
You know what, dude? I'm still happy. Hold that for a second. Dude, look at that. She is a natural.
You watch like this left hand is only going in front of you. That makes you able to do one in front of you so you can kind of jam with it. Then you have
Okay, now it's not
one beat,
focusing.
which whenever the
Hurry.
first head goes in
Sorry,
front.
baby, I love you.
Okay,